Okay, what we're going to do now is our single door assembly. So first process is to put our 58A and B on, flush with the top and bottom. The bigger edge always goes to the outside on the 58A and B only. Now that we've got our 58A and B on, we need to put our 58C channel top and bottom, and making sure now that the smaller edge goes back to the outside. Now we've got to make sure here that we pick up both channels and the sheet. Again, making sure you pick up all three. Okay, once we've got our 4 channels on, flip the door over and put our bracing on the back. So just tuck that jam in underneath and then line up that first hole in the jam with the hole in the sheet. Just screw from underneath. And then while we're here, we get the corner holes for the door. Just tuck that jam in under the channel, picking up the top holes here. Same again with this side, tuck in underneath, get that first hole, and just slide this one in behind the other jam, and then just pull it till you get your 2 holes to line up like that. Okay, flip it back over, and then we put screws in the rest of the holes here to attach that bracing. Okay, now we just need to attach our pad bolt. So we just line up the holes in the pad bolt with the holes in the door sheet. And now attaching our pad bolt, we do the same thing. We've got 4 holes punched out of the pad bolt, matching up with the 4 holes in the door plate. That's our single door assembly completed. Okay, what we need to do now is attach our door onto our front wall. So we turn the door upside down, place it on top of the panel, and now lining up the 3 holes in our door hinges with the 3 holes in our jam. Start with that center hole. And just rivet those on. We use the rivets because they got a flat head on them, a flat surface, so when the door closes it shuts nice and flush. If you go to use screws or anything like that, it'll have a bigger head, so the door won't be able to shut properly. So once you've got the center one in, get your 2 outers. Again, lining up your 3 hinge holes with the 3 holes in the door. That's our front wall completed.